Hi everyone, it's me, and today is a special day for me. It's my birthday, okay, and I just received this. You can see. Let's see what we have. It have to be something that I like. I hope it's something that I like. Let's see. Thank you. It's here. No. Wow, cutie. Nothing from Port Mart. Wild cutie. This wild cutie. It's my birthday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you go. You have all this. I don't know if you can see. Look. Oh, it's so nice. It's Camel Cutie, Vintage Cutie, Vanilla Cutie, Pink Cutie, Denim Cutie, Neon Cutie. So there's 6 inside. And there might be one a special edition that is basically like a limited edition whereby if I'm lucky enough, if today's my lucky day, I get one. It's called a Wild Cutie. And anybody who doesn't know what this is actually from Labubu, from Pop Mart. It's Labubu's friend. So Labubu's friend is my friend. I wonder how to open. I don't know how to open, you know. If I just Okay. Just wait. So for you, all of you, let's see. Okay. So how do you open it? Ta-dum. Oh, it's sealed. It's okay. So, it's Crybaby. See, there's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, let me take one. I stick the center. Okay, I put this one side. Let's see. So, Labubu, how do I know this is the real one? See, start off with, this is how you open it. There. You open it like this and not some kind of normal box, because this is a surprise. Oh, Jesus. Why I feel so scared? I don't know. Okay. Broke it. It comes like this. And here it goes. Which one is this? Which one is this? This plastic. Ooh. Pink. My first one is pink of the day. Oh my God. There's like a pink. Come with this. Big right, and here you go. Pink Cutie. So it's Pink Cutie. So it's this one here. Pink Cutie. Oh, let's hope I get this one day. So this is Pink Cutie. Ooh, look. See? It's pop mat. It's very, very soft. You know what? I love cats. So I love cats. So this is fun. So, Pink Cutie. Any more? Anything else? No? That's it. You want to open next one? You want to open next one?